Okay, Asia session done. Took two trades, one on Nikkei, one on AJ. Go over the trades real quick. Nikkei, it's actually a breakout reversal signal day, which is a reversal day after a breakout. Um, However, we're under the monthly, weekly, daily breakout levels. Faked out previous month high, broke out below previous week low. Lots of higher time frame confluence pushing down. I've been selling the indices all week, and I shall continue to do so until I am wrong. Basically, I will be selling at the high of the day, selling all these pullbacks until I'm wrong, basically. So today, looking for high of the day sells, 7 a.m. Tokyo market open. Here is the fake out level of yesterday, the level that yesterday faked out. So I have to be careful of how price behaves at this level. 7 a.m. Tokyo pushed down, broke out below the H8 low, then faked it out. This is a reversal setup. However, in Asia, I don't like to take reversals. I only want to trade with the trend, so I did not take that. Um, Here's an M15 fake out bar. This also faked out the previous H1 high. I could have entered here, but in New York, I probably would have taken something like this. But in Asia, since I trade all three sessions, I don't want to take anything that's discretionary. I consider this discretionary. It's not really one of the setups I'm looking for. So did not take this one, even though I knew that this would continue on down. What I really wanted to see was a closure below the fake out level and then a pullback for me to take the continuation. So here's the first time that happened. M15 closed below that fake out level. Then I dropped down to the lower time frames and I entered on a pullback. So M2 broke below the H1. Here's the last bullish M2 breakout bar, and I entered as I saw an M2 breakout bar that closed below the H1, and I put my stops at the high of the M15 right here. Did not put it higher. This is a breakout setup for me. Instead of using previous day low, I'm using the fake out level as the breakout, previous H8 low, previous day fake out low as the breakout level. Breakouts are risky, so I have a risky stop on them. High risk, high reward. Most breakouts fail, so if it continues, I really want it to be worth it. So that's why I have tight stops on breakouts. So entered here, price TP at the previous day low. This is also the fake out range right here of the H4. Two opposite facing fake out bars that creates a range. So we'll see how price behaves at the previous day low. But since the higher time frames are bearish, I do want to take partials there and aim for other levels. When I take partials, I look for breakout levels because price always wants to go to breakout levels. So here's the next breakout level on the weekly. So we'll see how price, if price can get past this range, then I'll be holding it until here. It's also close to the daily breakout level. And then after that, we have, well, let's see how price does over here first. But basically, these are the two levels I'll be looking at. We'll take partials here and see how price, see if price can make it down to the next breakout level. Yeah, so took that trade on the Nikkei. Next trade I took, actually, this is the first trade I took. First trade I took was actually on AJ. Been selling yen pairs as well. This one, monthly, weekly, daily breakout levels bearish, broke out below previous week low. This is actually a inside range. It was an inside bar on the weekly. So we've also broken out of the outside range as well. So as usual, I'm always looking for pullbacks to continue on the move. There was a fake out right here on the M15. This bar right here, this one, that's a fake out. But it was too early for my session. I wait until Tokyo market open. But once I saw that, I was looking for an entry. Tokyo market pushed down, had no entry below the H8 breakout level, below the fake out level as well. Yesterday closed as a fake out, similar to Nikkei. Waited for a pullback, got that pullback here. This is another M15 high fake out bar to take this down. So once I saw this, wanted to enter, but actually price pulled up, and I waited for an entry. So on the M15, price pulled back up, faked out the M15 right here, and I entered as price got below here, below these levels, and entered, holding it down to previous day low as a first target. So I took partials just recently, and now I'm holding on to the trade. And the next level, as usual, I'm looking for breakout levels. Next level I'll be looking at is actually this one up here. Here's the weekly fake out level. Here's the next daily breakout level. So we'll see if price can get there. If it gets through there, there's actually no other. There's one breakout level here, but they're nearby. There's nothing else to stop it. So let's see if it can continue going. Took a nice trade on AJ recently. Had my runners here. Did not get taken out here, but New York session took out my runners, and hopefully I can get some more going. So yeah, that's the trades I took. 2 trades today, one on Nikkei, one on AJ. Yeah, Japan, anything in Japan seems to be moving a lot. So let's see where this goes.